Y'all ready for your surprise?
Yes!
All right, let's bring in Daddy.
Da-da-da! For my crafty kiddos, we have Inventor's Box. Look at that. Look at. Whoa!
Does it show does it have like instructions?
I don't know. We'll have to find out.
What do you see?
I see a car!
So what school year did y'all just finish last week?
Second grade, and he finished K4.
That's right. So this is a little starting summer little congrats gift. You excited?
Yes.
Now it's time to unbox.
Okay.
Whoa, guys, look. Wowzers.
Oh, it even has a little mat that comes with it. Wow.
So this is everything. There's these like little sticks. There's strings. And with it, there's these little foam balls. There's some glue. There's some of these like wooden dowels. There's these golden frogs. There's wheels. Yeah.
Ow.
There's many popsicle sticks. There's normal sized popsicle sticks. There's pegs.
Corks.
There's foam balls.
That's okay.
There's wrapping stuff.
Is that wire?
There's some beads. Super nice. There's these things that they're like you can work on and stuff and it like puts them together. There's toys. There's some like little ring things that help you put like stuff together too. Some rubber bands. Some little beads. There's paper clips.
Clothesline clips? Is that what you call it?
I don't know what they're called.
Clothesline,
There's like different colors. There's one and stuff for ribbon.
Yep, okay.
There's these like jumbo ones, like they're like wider than all the others, and they're taller. So there's dark blue, yellow, light blue, red, green, purple, and then the wood.
Wow, it's got everything we need to tinker.
And some
One last
lighter.
thing. Oh, of course, the lighter.
And look what's under here. I think it's stickers and some foam. Invention ideas. It shows you how to make them.
Sweet. Should we try some out?
Yes. Make the car. When we get the car, okay, we gotta find them out. I think it shows you how to mix it. Okay, so look at Tyler. Okay. So right now, what we're gonna be doing is making our people. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a foam ball for the head, some string for the hair, and I'm gonna use an elastic to style the hair. Then I'm gonna use this to move around the body, and then I think I might make some clothes out of something.
Ooh. Tyler, do you know what you might use to make your person?
I already know that it's a secret.
Oh, I can't wait to be surprised.
I'm Kyler.
Aww. Your stick person's name is Kyler? Yeah, Vit.
Yay.
Kyler's putting the strap over the wheel axle. That was all his idea.
So with this elastic, I'm going to attach it to the bow, and that way she can put it on and off. I can get it on and off of her.
Aww. What you making?
An outfit.
What kind?
A dress.
Ooh. Yeah.
My car is amazing.
I love it. You made that?
Yes. What what we've made so far. I made a little girl. Here's her headband. This is the hair and her outfit. I made me and a car with a stop sign and stars on wheels. I also made a jumpy castle for her to jump on.
Woo! Did y'all have fun?
Yeah!